Hello, everyone. Okay, this week I have been sick. Not too bad. I've had worse, that's for sure. But I had a child homesick all week. I got sick, kind of just dragging myself along. But today I do not have to work. So I am doing all my shopping in one day, nice and slowly, because right now it's just more of an energy issue. But I'm really grateful that it wasn't too bad, because sometimes illnesses are quite the doozy. So I think it was just a plain cold, no flu or anything like that. So what a relief. But it did make life challenging for a few days. I have been in the process this week of transitioning from Halloween to Christmas, because yes, I am one of those people. Halloween's done. Yay. Christmas may begin. Started decorating my house and setting it up, and this weekend we are going to decorate the Christmas tree. So today I may purchase some items for that event. And then I did get to the market this week, so you will see that here in just a sec. But besides that, it's a pretty standard week for groceries for me, which is really good. Had to take my son to Shoppers Drug Mart to pick up a gift card for a friend's birthday, and I saw these wafers there. English would probably be easier. There we go. Peppermint, white chocolate peppermint wafers. They're so good. Look how cute they are. Some red in them, and they leave a really nice aftertaste, like you've had a mint or something in your mouth, or like gum. So good. So wanted to share that with you. If you have a Shoppers Drug Mart, or I'm going to guess they're going to be at Superstore soon, but they're good. They're $5 a container at Shoppers Drug Mart. Shoppers Drug Mart is always more expensive than Superstore, so we'll see. But these are nice on their own, or paired with a peppermint candy cane hot chocolate would be so good. Went to the market tonight, and I have gone back to our favorite Pink Lady apples. These are local, and they are $1.69 per pound. So I know our family members are going to be really happy that the Pink Ladies have returned, because they are by far our favorite apple. All right, these snap peas. It has been a really long time since I've been able to purchase snap peas that just look this good and unblemished, healthy snap peas. They are $3.50 a piece, so they are not cheap. But I did purchase 3 because we love them, but they're so hard to find, and that they just are all bumpy and damaged. So I thought this is worth every penny. All right, cucumbers, $4, really expensive. I tried to purchase the plain, the normal cucumbers. They were $1.50 each, which was a good price, but they were soft. They were you could bend them. It wasn't nice at all. So I have no cucumbers. I forgot to pick them up when I went grocery shopping on last week. So $4 for those. I did save some money though, because these are a lot cheaper at the market than Superstore. They are actually $1 cheaper. These are $2.79, 89 cents per pound for some bananas, and then mandarins, the boxed mandarins, expensive, $12. But my family has been eating these like candy, so hopefully I will be able to pick more up for a better price from Superstore this week. Till then, we have those. So altogether, this came to $36. This week, Betty Crocker cake mixes are on sale for $2 a box. So for my food bank donation this week, I'm going to do 1 chocolate fudge and 1 vanilla cake. Fridge and freezer products from Real Canadian Superstore. Some candy cane chocolate ice cream bars, $6. Then some turkey stuffing burgers. These are new and they look great. What I didn't realize till I got home is there's only 4. So 4 of the 6 will enjoy these burgers this weekend. Ricotta cheese for the lasagna, $6. Then from Costco, $5.65. Some butter, $18 for Havarti, $15 for mozzarella, $15 for marble. It's no longer on sale. Boo. $11.25 for the flat of 30 eggs. $8 for rotisserie chicken, $9 for organic Greek plain yogurt, and then $5.55, $5.65, something like that for the milk, and $3 for the coffee creamer. Produce from Superstore, 68 cents a pound for bananas, $5 for 3 cucumbers, so expensive, $4.80 at Costco, so not a lot better, but at least these are really long. Then $4.80 for some strawberries. I thought I'd make some banana strawberry Nutella crepes this weekend for my family. Kiwis, I think this is upside down. Anyways, kiwis. $4.50 for this pack. It's on sale this week. And then broccoli, $3.50 per pound. $10. This is Costco now. $10 for the red seedless grapes. $6 for the celery. And last but not least, French beans, $7. Everything else from a Real Canadian Superstore, starting with the non-food items, snack bags, $3. Then the Tiger paper towel, these were on sale this week. 3 of the jumbo rolls for $6. All right, Ho Ho Coke is $7. And then the sparkling cranberry ginger ale is so good. $5. It tastes amazing. Love it. Hopefully they don't run out of it because they're so good. Okay, buns for those turkey burgers, 6 for $4.20. I purchased 2 packages of the 50/50 crackers. Haven't had those in a long time. The white candy melts were back, $3.50 for it. And also I purchased 1 more of the chocolate ones as well because I had big plans, which includes this giant bag of Rogers sugar. This is normally $17. It is on sale for $13 this week. And I have plans to try to make seafoam. I love seafoam. It's so expensive and I think I can make it. So it takes a lot of sugar. That's why I purchased that much white sugar. And then I want to dip it in some of the chocolate. So that's why I purchased another bag of the milk chocolate, dipping chocolate. Moving on to the cereal, this bag of plain puffed wheat is $6.79. I am going to mix it with the Sugar Crisp. The Sugar Crisp is on sale this week, the big family size box for $4.47. So are the Honey Shreddies. The Pumpkin Spice Cheerios are on sale this week. They're trying to move out all the fall cereals. And yeah, they're $2.43, I believe, a limit of 4. Okay, I'm going to make lasagna this week for dinner. So the Catelli lasagna noodles are on sale this week for $1.97, a very, very good price. And then the Prego regular price, $8. That will be the sauce. The Asian sesame for my stir fries, $3. And then the cobs of corn is $2.79. Tacos, we're gonna have some Taco Tuesdays coming up, and this is on sale for $2.79 per package. Gravy for the rotisserie chicken that we got this week, not on sale. It's $1.50. Boo. I thought I had enough, but I guess I used them up. Okay, trail mixes, $5.50 each, and I went with sweet and spicy pub and classic. Then for our Christmas tree decorating party, some white chocolate covered Oreos. It's a lot to say. And these were on sale for $3. Then for $2.50, the Ritz crackers, they're on sale now this week. And then Poppables, so good, white cheddar, $2.50. All right, let's finish up with Costco. The Ancient Grains bread, the Dempsters, $8.50, 3 loaves. You can see we needed some for lunch today. Shortbread cookies. I am so excited to see that they have brought these back. Hopefully they're as good as the ones they used to sell. $16. Fruit Loops, they're on sale this week, $8. Bobo's is not on sale, but we haven't had these in a while. $22. Kirkland microwavable popcorn. We need some more microwavable popcorn. Love the Kirkland one. It is $20 for 44 bags, but it's really good. And last but not least, the tortillas. $10 for the big bag. All right, not too bad this week, that's for sure. So numbers, I was able to cash in $20 of PC points again this week. It just seems to be accumulating quite regularly nowadays. Maybe I'm spending more money, I don't know. But $20 off my bill, I paid $164. Then Costco was $206, so $370 altogether. Very, very, very close to my budget. Okay, have you made seafoam before? Because if you have any tips to give me, please leave them down below. I'm a little bit scared of this food item, candy item. I don't know why. I don't know if I've heard in my journeys that it's a challenging item to make, but I have this like little bit of hesitation. But if it works, I'm going to be thrilled, because I think I will then give seafoam to the people I normally do baking for as a little Christmas present. So fingers crossed it works out. I'm very, very hopeful, and I'm really excited to taste these shortbread cookies from Costco. If they're good, I want to dip them in half, put them in chocolate as well, half of it, maybe add some sprinkles, and then freeze them if they're good. The ones they had quite a few years ago were delicious, and I'm like, if I can't make it better myself, then I'll just probably buy it. And shortbread, because it takes a lot of butter, and butter is very expensive these days, it is just nice to buy if you can. If it's not going to cost you a lot more money and going to taste just as good as homemade, I will do it. So I'll let you know how that goes. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching this week's grocery haul. I hope you have a great weekend and a nice week ahead. I hope you adjusted to this time change, and if you have children, that they adjusted. More importantly, that they adjusted so that you can adjust well. It's always for the kids. It's nasty. But I hope that you are doing well, and please come back next week to see what I purchased my family of 6 then.